156 MCPE here. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a really good mob grinder in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now, guys, I'm kind of in version 1.1.5 just because I can use my custom skin and the world is less laggy and glitchy. Basically, how this works is, see, after I break these torches, the skeleton's gonna spawn, and they're gonna fall on these magma blocks. I'm just gonna fall down, right? You're probably wondering, how do I get those items in the back? Well, there's a button here. Secret magical button. And it knocks all the items to you. But of course, the skeletons are trapped behind there. They can't escape. Here's what you need to do to make this. So, basically, let me just disable the spawner again. And there we go. Okay. I'm going to remove this magma block. What you need to do is you need to find the dungeon, obviously, and you need to break out the floor of the dungeon. Then, from under the monster spawner, count, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks down. And then, from there, dig one more block down. And then start putting in big this area and start putting magma blocks down. Then you tunnel out the rest of the places, and then you put magma blocks everywhere there too. I mean, if you don't have any magma blocks, then I guess, I mean, if you don't have that many magma blocks, just make like a few holes, I guess, but that won't be as effective because, well, the monsters will most likely not fall in. So yeah. And the next thing we need to do, let me just remove the stone slab. Guys, I think I really need a proper door. Hang on. Okay, so I'm going to place a door over here just because I need a proper door. Like I said earlier. Slab there. Okay, so what you need to do is, basically go out of the dungeon, go up here, and start digging a zigzag route down over here. And then make sure you have a little space, like this. Well, again, I'm going to try building this in a normal world with a dungeon in a second, but I don't know if I can, so, yeah. Basically, you just dig over here, and then you just put a button here, and then you get, I guess you just dig a tunnel over here, you put a repeater, you put lots of redstone here, and you put some, and you also, at the back of the magmas, dig out a space 2 blocks high and 5 blocks long like this. So you break 10 blocks over there behind, and you place dispensers on the lower row, and you place the redstone on top. Then I guess you have like a little tunnel thing going on over here, and then what you need to do is, basically this is the water mechanism, and it releases the water to wash all the items down. Oops! How did that bucket just shoot out? What? Oh, and guys, another secret little feature. Wait, what? What's going on? I don't know what happened there. But, guys, if you didn't know, magma blocks actually evaporate water. So, like, for example, if I pour water on this magma, it's gonna get evaporated. Like, guys, watch this. Nothing out of the ordinary is happening, right? You watching it? It's gonna happen. The water is just gonna turn into smoke and disappear. Soon. So I should probably put... Oh, guys, did you see that? I put it down and it turned into smoke. If you didn't see it, then I'm going to keep watching it. And it's... Oh, guys, look, it just evaporated It just evaporated on the thing. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get rid of this magma. And that was a secret feature, so now I'm gonna try building it in a normal dungeon world. Give me 1 second and I will be back. Alright guys, I'm back. So, basically, in this seed, this is my survival let's play seed, there's supposed to be a, dungeon right over here. Alright guys, there is. So yeah guys, what you need to do is sometimes a dungeon will spawn like this. And, let me just disable the spawner. For this thing, you need to build this stuff here. Oh yeah, guys, there's chests in this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna... Yeah, the loot is pretty good. I mean, there's a knockback book. But nothing spawned in there because it was too dark. Okay, so... I'm gonna just do /clear. Okay, my inventory is empty. I'll quickly grab some night vision. And I'm gonna get rid of the skeleton. Okay, so now, what I need to do, what you need to do, and what I need to do, is you need to break this floor 1, 2, as you guys see here, and then I'm gonna get rid of these chests because, of course, you need to remove them for the thing, or else the skeleton's gonna stand on them. Actually, they can't, but they can make spawn on them. That. Alright, so now I'm going to put these cobblestones here. Then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, actually, no. Put one there. But actually, yes. I got it right. It was 5 by 5. The dungeon, I mean. Oh, hi, skeleton. Please get out of here. How are they still spawning in? Oh, maybe it's just the natural spawning. Oh, well, whatever. Alright, so now I'm going to break all the cobblestones 6 blocks down from the dungeon. I mean the spawner. The spawner. Okay, so guys, I can't use the fill command because I'm sure I'm gonna mess it up again. Just like yeah, whatever. Never mind. Never mind what I just said there. I'm afraid I might mess it up if I do it, so I'm not gonna do it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna keep destroying this floor. Break. Come on, break. Come on, cobblestone, break already. Come on, come on. And here we go. Here we go. Okay. So now, like I said, guys, you need to break down the floor, and I'm gonna just grab some of these magma blocks from creative mode, but I mean, I don't care. Leave it.
Thank you for your kind attention and thank you for your kind attention. Thank you for your approval。咪點啊？15號咯，聽日。
Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to do that and there.
16間唔放啦，你想啦，鬧死我啦已經。我而家就係諗緊點樣寫好啲啊，即係有禮貌啲嘅。一陣間佢話，你有冇搞錯？你唔預先一早知嘅咩？咁啊，鬧我嘅喎，你唔好以為佢善男信女啊。約定啲客等你見咁樣啊。我寫 thank you for high attention。
Okay, so now what you need to do, guys, is what you need to do now is you need to get some dispensers.
Thank you for your approval 好唔好咧？
And like this, and then I just break that, and break
當佢
that,
approve
and break that, and break that. Okay,
Thank you.
so now what I need to do, you go over here, obviously, just go over here, and then you do that. Or I guess you could just break this part, and I guess it'd be easier, but if you don't want to see the ugly, you know, redstone sticking out, then you don't, yeah, I don't want to do that. Now, just go over here and remove these. Replace these guys with stone slabs. So, just like this, and,
我叫佢 reset 佢。
We will defend and protect the sacred rights of all Americans, and we will work together so that every citizen in this blessed land is free to follow their dreams in their hearts and to express the love and joy in their souls. Thank you, God bless you, and God bless America. Thank you very much.
then what you do is you stand here, guys, and then I guess you make your way out of this hole with ladders or something, but you know, you need a stone button. So shove down the wall here. You just stand here so the skeletons can't shoot you. Because they actually can. Actually, I'm going to replace this with a wooden button because you can't really see it. And then it's like, wait, where did my button go? Okay, so now what I need to do is this, remove some of this. And then I need to go over here, and then basically you just get this repeater. You do that, and then... Okay.
Yeah, Tom, the president was essentially forced to come out today to make these comments to the American public, and some of the words that he used, he did not hold back. He said, quote, racism is evil. He listed these groups that so much of the American public wanted him to say outright those names, neo-Nazis, KKK, other hate groups, he said, that are repugnant. We will spare no resource, he said. And I do want to remind our viewers that the president did start by saying that they have now opened a civil rights investigation into what happened.
So what I need to do, you take this magnet block, you need to place that there, and then now, I just go into the dispensers and I fill these dispensers with water buckets. And yeah, guys, once again, I guess you would just put it back there and you just put a repeater and just go really far back, like that. But now, as you can see, guys, the water system works. Now I better get rid of... Never mind. It doesn't work. Hang on a second, guys.
一個你呢個係咪？
Guys, that might be a slight issue.
sides for all that violence, but really it was only one side
Oh gosh.
somebody on Saturday.
Wait, wooden buttons are stuck over here. Okay. What we need to do is I'm gonna just do this.
The president's silence over the last few days was word enough for many people in this country. Communities of
Okay.
his silence
I guess that's kind of an issue.
as speaking.
You might need to put a magnet block right over there just to block the water. But other than that,
Issue of white nationalist support of his campaign.
there's water that doesn't have water, that has water, that has water too. Okay, so guys,
Charlottesville as yet another example of President Trump tiptoeing around this issue again.
I want to bring in our Chief Justice correspondent, Pierre Thomas, as well. We know that just before he came out and spoke in the White House,
and yeah. Alright, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please drop a like down below. And I guess if you want to, you can subscribe, but I don't really care. So yeah. And if you want more redstone videos or smart builds like this, then comment down below. Hashtag redstone is awesome. And but I didn't make an escape room. Comment down below, hashtag redstone is awesome, and I'll do more redstone videos. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, guys. So I'm just gonna build an escape route, and then the video's gonna end.
電話就寫埋㗎都。
And then the video will end.
And here, a lot of these groups that have spoken to over the last 6 months predicted that this was going to happen, that they say this is the worst that these fights have ever been, that there was going to be a so-called quote-unquote war, and it happened on Saturday.
Right there.
老豆要攞嗰張卡嚟。
During this special
I'm just gonna go and
the scheduled programming, I'm Tommy, I'm from New York.
hi villager, hello.